about spicy kale and salmon. Guys, if this is going to interest you, you want to be consuming all the food your body needs for summer, stay here. Guys, welcome back. This is Kartia Velino. If you just stumble into this channel, do me a favor, subscribe. Today I'll be doing some stir-fry kale, because when we think about our skin, we have to think about what we ingest in our system. So this is summertime. Summer. Who doesn't want to go out there walking around with six-pack? I do, and I'm here to share with you one of my most amazing secrets. But before we get into doing the stir fry of this kale and sharing the benefits with you guys, I will share with you that I just picked up this set of Eco Copper. Kosi, can you answer that? Is that your phone? So before I get into doing the kale, I just picked up this Eco Copper because this summer is going to be lots of good food to go with our skincare. And let me show you. So this is the inside of this. We are going to be cooking with this pot so that I can give you an honest review at the same time. And also, it is not a paid video. I just picked it up because I love the colors. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so this is the set of the copper pots. They all look so nice and beautiful. It looks so classy. I have already washed this. Yes, so I'm going to dry it, and this is the one we're going to be using to make the kale. It's non-stick. So I'm gonna put it on top of the stove. The good thing, what you want to do first before stir frying your is to blanch. You want to blanch it, soak it in warm water just to make it easier to soften it, because kale is really hard, like when you try to chew that, and this is why I don't really eat kale salad. You blanch it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're gonna sieve off and take off the water. This is the sieve, and I'm going to take off the water. So you want to add a little bit of olive oil. You add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the pot. I love mixing my olive oil with sesame seed oil. I put another 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. I want to add some diced garlic in here. Make sure the heat is a medium heat. And I'm going to take the blanched kale and I'm going to put it in here. So you really don't want to overcook this. And I love butterscotch pepper. I am a black woman, a Nigerian, and mostly we eat lost pepper. What's a black woman without spicy food? So now the kale is ready. You're gonna turn off the stove. So you can really serve this as the side dish. So I have it in here. You can have it with rice, you can have it with any protein of your choice. At this time, I will be serving it with some salmon and stew. So I have salmon Back home, yeah, that's what we call it, stew. It's just some tomatoes and onions and olive oil. So guys, this is it. Spicy kale. Thank you guys. Remember, kale is loaded with a whole lot of vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B6, a whole bunch of vitamins to help with your hemoglobin. Thank you guys for your time. Share and subscribe.